when dealing with heavy moisture issues. Standard residential dehumidifiers often aren't enough. That's where the ALORAIR 264 PPD LGR Commercial Dehumidifier comes in. This unit is built for high-performance moisture removal, capable of extracting up to 264 pints per day under ideal conditions. That capacity makes it suitable for water damage restoration, large basements, crawl spaces, garages, and commercial environments up to around 3,000 square feet. The LGR technology, which stands for low-grain refrigerant, is designed to operate efficiently even in lower humidity environments. Traditional dehumidifiers tend to slow down as humidity levels drop, but LGR systems continue pulling moisture effectively, which is important during restoration drying phases. One of the standout features is the built-in condensate pump. Instead of manually emptying a tank, the pump allows for continuous drainage through a hose. This is especially useful during flood recovery or long drying cycles where constant operation is required. Portability is another key factor. Commercial dehumidifiers are typically heavier than home models, but this unit is designed with handles and durable housing to make transport between job sites manageable. The bright green housing isn't just for aesthetics. It's common in professional-grade restoration equipment because it's highly visible on job sites. For basement use, high-capacity moisture removal helps reduce mold growth risk, prevent musty odors, and protect structural materials like wood framing and drywall. In crawl spaces, maintaining controlled humidity levels can help preserve insulation and reduce long-term moisture-related damage. The control panel is designed for straightforward operation, allowing users to monitor humidity levels and runtime. Many commercial units also include automatic restart functionality, which can be useful in case of power interruptions. Durability is a major consideration in this category. Restoration equipment is expected to handle demanding environments, and the 5-year limited warranty reflects a longer-term support commitment compared to many consumer-grade units. When considering a commercial dehumidifier, it's important to think about drainage setup, placement, airflow clearance, and electrical requirements to ensure optimal performance. While this model is suitable for serious moisture control needs, it may be more capacity than necessary for small residential rooms. Matching dehumidifier size to the space and moisture level is essential for efficiency and energy management. Overall, the ALORAIR 264 PPD LGR Commercial Dehumidifier is built for high-demand applications, offering strong moisture removal, continuous pump drainage, and durable construction for restoration professionals and large space users. If you'd like to confirm detailed specifications, power requirements, or current pricing, you can review the ALORAIR 264 PPD LGR Commercial Dehumidifier through the product listing for complete information.